Our top story this afternoon: in a major defence milestone, Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh has inaugurated the new BrahMos production unit. The establishment of this unit marks a significant step towards boosting India's self-reliance in the defence sector. This move is expected to enhance the country's capabilities in missile production and strengthen national security. But what caught the headlines was Rajnath Singh's clear message to terror backers. He has not confirmed the usage of the BrahMos missile during India's Operation Sindoor, which has left Pakistan in tatters. In fact, the defence minister has made this clear: if you provoke us, you face annihilation.
आज जो ब्रह्मोस फैसिलिटी शुरू हो रही है, मैं समझता हूं वह यूपी डिफेंस कॉरिडोर का एक गौरव होगा। यह सिर्फ उत्तर प्रदेश का ही नहीं, बल्कि देश का सबसे बड़ा ब्रह्मोस इंटीग्रेशन एंड टेस्टिंग फैसिलिटी सेंटर है। यह रक्षा क्षेत्र में भारत की आत्मनिर्भरता के प्रयास को भी मजबूती प्रदान करेगा। साथियों, जहां तक ब्रह्मोस का प्रश्न है, तो आप सभी यह जानते हैं कि ब्रह्मोस दुनिया के सबसे तेज सुपरसोनिक क्रूज मिसाइल्स में से एक है। ब्रह्मोस सिर्फ एक हथियार नहीं है, बल्कि यह अपने आप में एक मैसेज है। मैसेज हमारी आर्म्ड फोर्सेस के स्ट्रेंथ का है। मैसेज दुश्मन के प्रति हमारी डेटरेंस का है, प्रतिरोधक क्षमता का है। मैसेज हमारी बॉर्डर्स की सेफ गार्डिंग के हमारी प्रतिबद्धता का है।
My colleague Adib is with us for more on this. Adib, Rajnath Singh, the defence minister of the country, making it clear that if you provoke us, you face annihilation, and that is what Pakistan faced. But also simultaneously, India is emphasizing on Atmanirbharta, or self-reliance in the defence sector, which is perhaps the most needed at this crucial time.
Well, definitely, Shreya, the Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh clearly said that the BrahMos unit, and in fact the BrahMos missile is one of the fastest missiles, and this is a message to the world, and the BrahMos is not just a missile but a message to the entire world. And in fact, he also went on to say that the our message is very clear, and he also applauded all the officers of the armed forces, those who were involved in the Operation Sindoor. And now with the inaugural of this particular BrahMos unit in Lucknow, this will give a boost to the defense infrastructure of our country. And with this, the Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has made it clear that India is a superpower, and with this supersonic missile, India is giving a clear message. And now with this production unit, especially in Lucknow, India, the state is aiming at producing around 80 to 100 missiles per year. So we are going to produce around 80 to 100 BrahMos supersonic missile per year. And this is the message that is coming straight from Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, and his message was clear that if our enemies are going to target us, we will use the force, and we will use our armed forces. And in fact, he also mentioned the name of the Rawalpindi. Says that our missiles can strike any time, and this is the clear message that is coming from the Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. And in fact, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath also he gave a similar message, saying that if you want to see the power of the BrahMos missile, you can ask the people of Pakistan, and they'll tell you how powerful this particular BrahMos missile is. So clearly, big message coming out from Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. Shreya.
All right, Adib, thanks very much for joining us at the moment, getting us those details of the latest production unit of BrahMos missiles, which the Defence Minister has inaugurated. Of course, we'll keep getting our viewers the latest on what BrahMos missiles really mean, the kind of capabilities that this missile has had. But remember, viewers, Ghar mein ghus ke marenge is not just a message, it has been a reality. They said it, and our forces have done it. We have struck Rawalpindi. Listen in to what the minister said.
भारतीय सेनाओं ने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर को पाकिस्तान में मौजूद आतंकी ढांचा ढहाने के उद्देश्य से लॉन्च किया था। हमने उनके आम नागरिकों को कभी निशाना नहीं बनाया था, मगर पाकिस्तान ने न केवल भारत के नागरिक इलाकों को निशाना बनाया, बल्कि मंदिर, गुरुद्वारा, गिरजाघर पर भी हमले करने का प्रयास किया। भारतीय सेना ने शौर्य और पराक्रम के साथ साथ संयम का भी परिचय देते हुए पाकिस्तान के अन्य ठिकानों पर भी प्रहार करके करारा जवाब दिया है। हमने केवल सीमा से सटे सैन्य ठिकानों पर ही नहीं कार्रवाई की, बल्कि भारत की सेनाओं की धमक उस रावलपिंडी तक सुनी गई, जहां पाकिस्तानी फौज का हेडक्वार्टर